So guys, this is the part 2 of the craziest engine swaps that were ever done. At the very first, we have the Tesla swap plymouth. It does all the fun stuff that the regular muscle car do, but only thing is electric.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Let her rip! Let her rip! Yeah!
Or 426 cubic inch gasoline powered engine. And it has been converted to electric and runs mid 12s in the quarter mile. Watch this. 1246, 107 miles.
Now the probability of the biggest turbos that were ever fitted on a car. We got this twin turbo LSX Commodore. These things look crazy, an absolute burnout machine, and splits massive flames, and probably the reason why we have the clouds in the air.
She's almost 22. She's got a hell of a drinking problem. Yeah, she's got some issues. My family fucking hates her. She spends all my goddamn money, and sometimes she wants to act up, but I put up with her bullshit because I think she's sexy as hell.
This is the craziest baby Zonda, a Mercedes V12 swapped 1 Series BMW. Yes, you heard it right. The car currently makes 550 horsepower at 7200 RPM. But see this.